Okay, let's move on to step 4, the differential diagnosis. So here we have different systems as in the other steps, and I've clicked on cardio here, and these are the symptoms that come under cardiology system. So every single possible chief complaint that can be on the doorway is presented here. Now, as you know, there are other systems which are listed below, but here let's just focus on cardio, and all the symptoms for differential diagnosis are listed on top. So when I click on chest pain, the differential diagnosis for chest pain appears. Okay. Now let me click on one of the differential diagnoses, say costochondritis, and then the window on the right appears where you have all the history that can possibly come out of the patient supposing he has costochondritis, and all the possible physical exam findings that you can possibly see in a patient who has costochondritis. Now, obviously, these are standardized patients. They cannot mimic everything, right? For example, they can paint themselves red, but they cannot mimic local warmth. But this program was set up for real doctors, which you guys are, and hopefully you won't be dealing with fake patients all your life. So I think as doctors, you're smart enough to figure out which are fakeable or which are actable by the standardized patients and which are not. But actually we need to prepare ourselves to see real patients, and I think this differential diagnosis program will help you with your career as well. So next slide, I'm just going to show what happens if you click on myocardial infarction. So all the findings that you see in history and all the physical exam findings that can possibly be there in a real patient are listed. You just have to figure out what can the S be at. So I think all the doctors are smart enough to do that. So that winds up step 4, and of course when you click on different systems, you have all the chief complaints that will come as possibly doorway information in your exam. So that's how this program rolls.